Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here in Treviso Bay, Naples, Florida. This is Avellino Unit 2115. It's a first floor Bromelia floor plan, part of the veranda line of condos that you can find here at Treviso Bay. The Bromelia here gives you 2 bedrooms with a den, a 1-car garage, right around 1,350 square foot. And this one comes with a social membership only, so you don't have to pay any golf dues. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful home. So as we enter into the Bromelia, to the right is going to be your first guest bedroom here, with the bifold style closet doors. And right off of that, you have your laundry space here, plenty big for a full-size washer dryer. You've got your guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. Now, directly across from the guest is your kitchen area here. You've got a nice eating kitchen area space here with 2 pantry closets, really nice. And the Bromelia also offers a sliding glass door out to your front lanai. It's the only floor plan that does offer that here with the veranda series. Then you have a nice, beautiful kitchen here with the stainless appliance package, and this will overlook your great room area, which we'll get to here in a second. Now, coming outside of the kitchen, to the right here, you have your enclosed den. There are pocket doors here, so you can enclose this right here, have all the privacy in the world, utilize this as a flex space, or possibly even a 3rd bedroom. And then right off of the den, you've got your dining space, plenty of room to put bar stools right along the kitchen counter as well. And then you've got this nice open great room design here, as well as a dry bar off to the side. Last but not least, on the interior here, we have our master suite. Really nice size master bedroom here. That's a king size bed for perspective. Then you have his and hers closets here. And finally, the master bath with the dual sink. You have the commode and the standalone shower right here. Now, last but not least, we have the views. So this particular home has an awesome view of the lake here at Avellino. Beautiful, beautiful views from inside your home here. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.